I noticed a misfire on cylinder 1 in my car. Is it time to switch out the plugs? I haven't changed them since I bought the car 4 years ago. Misfiring cylinders can be a real pain in the, well, engine block, but fear not, fellow drivers, we are going to decode the spark plug mystery and get you back on the road smoothly. Imagine your engine as a party where each cylinder is a guest and the spark plugs are like the party favors. They get the party started, but if a spark plug is worn out, it's like the guest who forgot the lighter. Things just won't ignite properly. This leads to misfires, which can cause rough idling. Your car might feel like it's having a disco party all by itself, which is not groovy, and increased fuel consumption. You spend more money at the filling station and less fun on the road. So back to the question, are those 4-year-old spark plugs the culprits? It's definitely a possibility. Most manufacturers recommend changing spark plugs every 30,000 miles to 60,000 miles, depending on your car driving conditions. So if you've hit that mark, it's a good idea to swap them out. But even if you haven't reached the mileage mark, a misfire could point to worn out plugs. Here is what to look for. Look for physical damage like cracks, chips, or excessive wear on the electrodes. Fouling. There could be buildup of carbon or other deposits on the plug. Look for gap issues. The gap between the electrodes might be too wide or too narrow. Remember, regular maintenance is key to avoiding costly repairs down the line, so don't ignore those misfires. And there you have it, folks, the spark plug mystery solved. If you have any car questions, big or small, don't be shy. Drop them in the comments below and we'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends so they can also learn from it. Until next time, keep your engines purring and your wheels turning.